Hi, my name is Josh Wipskowski with Best Tax Pro. Our team of former IRS revenue agents, tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and CPAs have over 200 years of experience working with the IRS. Understand that when the IRS sends you a letter of intent or notice of intent, that there is an IRS computer system that just spits these out systematically. After you've gotten a series of 4 or 5 letters from the IRS, and those letters are the CP 501, CP 503, CP 504, and there's probably started one with a CP 2000. You're going to get one more letter from the IRS, and that is called the 1058. The 1058 is the letter that gives you due process rights. If you don't contact the IRS at that point, they're going to send out a bank levy or wage garnishment notices. Nobody really wants to ever do this, but in their mind at the IRS, especially if you haven't contacted them, this is one way to shake things up and get your attention a little bit. You see, the IRS have a very structured timetable of dealing with you. 5 weeks after you get that CP 504 letter, the letter of intent is the next letter coming up. So you want to pay attention to the letters that you get from the IRS. Our team can help you settle your tax problem with the IRS. If you would like to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with me or one of our former IRS revenue agents on my team, click the link below or call me at 763-477-4205. Thank you very much. I hope you've learned something today.